Imagine making money online just by reading emails. That would be very amazing. Earn money again and again with this method. So, how much money can you really earn? Alright, so if you read 10 emails, you can earn up to $50. Make that 20 emails and then you can earn up to $150. Read 30 emails and you'll earn up to $250. Finally, if you read 40 emails, you can earn up to $400. The method which I will be teaching you today is 100% free, which means you do not need to invest any money at all to get started. And this method is also available worldwide. So you don't have to worry if you're from outside the United States because you can do this wherever you are in the world. So I want you to finish this video by the end because somewhere in this video, I will be sharing a strategy where you can earn double and you can be one step ahead of your competitors. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you can be updated and you can start to make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. Alright, so the first step I want you to do is go over to Vindale.com. This is a platform where you can earn money online just by answering surveys. Get paid to take surveys online. But I'm gonna stop you right there because we won't be doing any surveys in this video. What you're going to do is just read emails online. Now, let me show you something, and as you can see right here, it says that Vindale has paid over $7 million to their members all over the world. And this website pays you in cash, not by point system, not gift cards, but cash. I want you to take a look at this. Earn cash for every email you open. Earn just for reading paid email. Opt into reward mail in your email preferences to open and view paid promotional messages. This is where you can earn money by simply reading emails online. Before we proceed, I want to tell you that the sign-up process for this website is a bit complicated because this website only accepts users from the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. You don't have to worry even if you come from outside these countries. For example, you're from India or the Philippines, Nigeria, Bangladesh, or other countries, because I will be showing you a method and how you can sign up for free even though you come from a different country. And I want you to stay tuned so that you can learn everything from me in this video. The reason why I wanted you to stay tuned is because when we come over to this website, I don't want you to sign up immediately because we still have to go to another website before proceeding to the sign up process, okay? So again, I will be telling you what to do step by step, so just sit back and relax while watching this video. Once you're logged into your account, you will see 9 different categories, which are cars and trucks, politics and current events, sports, home improvement, popular restaurants, new technology, health and beauty, shopping and fashion, and finally, travel and leisure. Now, let me give you the first tip. If you read emails about shopping and fashion and health and beauty, these 2 categories will make you the most amount of money. So all you have to do is read emails from both of these categories right here. Whenever you pick these 2 categories, you will then see this. You can earn $10, you can earn $1, and you can even earn $3.5. But as you can see here, there are a lot of different options you can choose from. Alright, so I'm just showing you the options right here. Now, going back to the website, earn cash for every email you open. I want you to click on this link right here which says sign up and get paid to read email. Click on that link and you will be redirected to this page right here. So, you can sign up for a free account right here. But I want you to pay attention and please listen to me. You're one step closer to getting paid for your opinion. Complete the remaining steps below and start earning today. If you do this correctly, you can even earn up to $25. But here's the catch. you have to sign up properly. So, I want you to type in your email address, your first name, your last name. But before we proceed, I want you to take precautions, okay? Because this is where the secret strategy which I will be teaching you will come in. The options here are only the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. Before we proceed with this step, I want you to go over to google.com and search for random list. If you click on search, you'll be able to find the first website which loads here on Google results. Random list, the random generator for everything. Click on this link. We're here on this website and you'll be able to find an option which is addresses. You'll then see this. Random generators. Random addresses. Generate a fake United States address complete with street, city, state, zip codes. But be careful though, some of this could end up being real addresses. So this one right here is what we're going to use, okay? So when you click on this, you will then see random addresses which you can use. But before we proceed, I want you to scroll down a little bit and then you'll be able to see this. There are edit settings, so click on this and you'll see a drop-down panel. These are the options: California addresses, Canadian, Florida, London, New York, Oklahoma, Texas, and UK. This part is very critical. I want you to select Canadian addresses. So after clicking that option, you will then see different addresses which will load here. And these are all generated randomly. As you can see, we can use all of these addresses to sign up. You can enter any of these addresses to your sign up process. Now, let's proceed with the sign up process. What I want you to do next is select the country first, which is Canada. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come back to random list generator and we are going to copy one of these addresses right here. So you can just copy whatever you like and paste it on your sign up form. If you're quite confused about this process, you can always rewatch this video or you can just rewind it so you can fully understand the process. After that, you will put your date birth here. In your ethnicity, I want you to click on Caucasian or white. Next, you have to create your own password and confirm it. Make sure to agree to the terms and privacy policy of this website, and that's it. After that, click on Continue. On the next page, they will say this: please complete the following consent form in order to continue membership. What you need to do is check Provide Consent to all of these boxes here. Make sure you tick all of these 4 boxes. If you have followed me throughout the whole video and if you did all of these steps, then you're able to make $1 as of now, and this $1 is free upon signing up. On top of all that, you have just unlocked up to $50 of high-paying surveys. The people who didn't follow my procedure would just earn about $1 to $5. But now that you've followed me and now that we've completely signed up, then we're able to earn up to $50 per survey. So if you're done signing up, then you can do this right now. You have officially unlocked other surveys which could make you up to $25. Again, the sign-up process is a bit tricky, but if you do my secret tip, then you're going to earn a lot. Now, I want to visit this page right here where we can see that people all over the world are making money using this method. And as you can see, there are a lot of people right here who are loving this method or this website because this website has really helped them, especially now during quarantine. This is a really big help to everyone who's looking for a side hustle. Aside from opening emails, you can also get paid by answering surveys, referrals, and by watching paid videos. This method is easy and you can do this even if you're still a beginner. If you're looking for ways to make money online, I can recommend this. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next videos.